Today I'm going to show you how to get your WooCommerce data directly into your spreadsheet using Coefficient. Once you've installed Coefficient, launch the extension and select Import From. Next to Connected Sources, select Add, and in the search bar, type in Woo. To find WooCommerce, select Connect. From here, you're going to want to navigate over to your WordPress, go down to WooCommerce, select Settings, select Advanced, select REST API, and then select Add Key. Add a description, and then select Generate API Key. Copy the consumer key, paste there, and then copy the secret and paste there. Now you'll need to get your site URL. So navigate back here, visit your site, copy your URL, and then paste your URL without this part. And select Connect. Once you're connected, you can select to start from scratch, which will open the import preview, and here's where you can select which data you want to import into your spreadsheet. With this connector, you can import a list of customers, orders, coupons, products, and so much more. So just to get started, I'm going to import a list of orders. Select Preview. From here, you can select all the fields available, or you can decide to curate the import exactly how you want it and select what is more meaningful for your use case. So I'm going to add a few additional fields. I'm going to add date paid. I'm going to add order key. And I'm going to add shipping total. And over here, you can select the drop-down to arrange the order of the columns exactly how you want to have them refresh in your sheet each time. So once you're happy with how you've curated your import, you can select Import. Once your data is in your sheet, you can set up an auto refresh schedule on an hourly, daily, or weekly basis to keep your data up to date. Now that you know how to get started, you can begin pulling in your own WooCommerce data. So we hope you try it out for yourself, and thanks for watching.